Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make $200 every single day with Quora. Quora is a platform where you can ask and answer questions on any topic under the sun. It might seem like an unlikely place to make money, but with a little bit of know-how, it's actually really easy to monetize your expertise and experiences on the site. I'll be walking you through my exact process for making money on Quora, including the strategies I use to get traffic to my answers and the techniques I use to convert that traffic into cash. So if you are looking forward for a new way to make money online, or if you are just curious about how people are using Quora to earn an income, be sure to stick around. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Okay guys, so we are now on my laptop screen, and this video has been broken up into 4 different steps. We have the first step, the second step, the third step, the fourth step, and in the end I'll show you a bonus trick. Okay, so the first step is to sign up to Digistore 24. So we fast and straight go up to the website Digistore 24, and on Digistore 24, as you can see here, it's an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store. Okay, so you can come here as an affiliate and sell other people's product and earn commission without you creating the product. Okay, so fast forward, let's sign up for Digistore 24. You click on register now and you'll be here. So you have to select sign up as an affiliate. You enter your username, you put in your email address, you repeat your email, choose your password, you repeat your password, you tell them whether you are a Mr. or a Mrs. Then you put your first name and last name, your company name, your street, your house number, your zip code, your city, your state. And if you don't know your zip code, you can just come here and type in your town, for example Los Angeles, zip code, just search, then you use any of them. They will work for you. Then you come here, you select your state, put in your country, your phone number, your Skype ID or your Telegram ID, and you check this box, click register for free. So I will quickly log into my Digistore 24 account. This was a demo account I set up for this particular tutorial. So all you need to do is just click on where it says marketplace. Click here, scroll down to check for the best product. But the best product I've found so far on Digistore 24 is this product called the Home Doctor, brand new. And as you can see, it pays 75% commission, which is $25.7. This is good. As you can see, the cart conversion. The conversion rate here is 21.0%, which is quite good, and the cancellation rate is 2.8%, which is extremely good. So all we have to do is just click on this promote now button, and it will give us our affiliate link. So we copy it, and let me open Notepad. Open it, copy our affiliate link. Just copy our affiliate link. It has been copied. Go to Notepad, then we paste it here, we save it. So just paste it here. So let's go and check the second step. Second step is to choose a product, which we have already done. So we move straight to the third step, is to sign up for Quora. So we have to straight head to Quora.com, click on sign up with email, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook. I'll log in. So I've logged in and I'm in my Quora account. So we head forward to the product we found, go to their sales page, check what's on their sales page. So all this is information for you to know what to say. Oh, okay. So as you can see, they are giving you topic ideas on how you can promote this product. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, but still we can promote this one. So all we have to do is go back to Quora. Oh, sorry, let's go back. So here is how to recognize a heart attack and what to do next. So you just copy this one, copy it, and you go back to Quora, click on the search, just paste it, hit search. So after searching this, how you see, you go to sort by questions. Then you scroll down, scroll down. As you can see, this one is S. So all you have to do is to continue scrolling. So you can see, how do I recognize a heart attack and what do I do next if I have no practice? So all you have to do, as you can see, this is the same product we found on Digistore24. So this is another affiliate marketer trying to push and get more sales. So you have to just click on the answer button here. Then all you have to do after that is to copy this one, copy here, copy, then we have to move to our step 4. As the final step is to sign up for ChatGPT. So all we have to do is go to openai.com, scroll down under featured, click on ChatGPT, then try ChatGPT. But I already have an account here, so it will just log me inside my account. So all you have to do is just to paste the question here, then we click on this little button. As you see, to be just be recommending stuff, so it will write a full Quora answer for us. Yeah, it's writing. So after it's done, all we have to do is just copy all of this. Have to copy, Control C, then we come back to Quora, we paste this here, Control V, then we Go back, hit enter. All we have to do is type something like but you can try my recommended supplement for a better result during heart attacks. Then you bring a call to action like click here to get instant access. Click here to get instant access. Then all you have to do is copy. Copy this, come back here, click on this chain icon, go back to your notepad, copy the link, come back to Quora, paste the link, click on add, then you click on submit. Take a few seconds and it will be submitted. So as you see, answer has been submitted successfully. So I'll be expecting to make more sales with this strategy. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share, and make sure to click one of the boxes that will appear on the screen. Thanks you for watching this video.